2, 1,
I will show you how to make this wonderful dish, but one condition. You have to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hi and welcome to Vincenzo's Plate. Today I am showing you how to make a marvelous, stunning, outstanding recipe. Pasta with vongole and broccoli cream. We have the ocean on one side, the land on the other side. Vongole versus broccoli. Together, what is gonna happen? Huh? Guys, I love cooking, and what I love the most about cooking is creating especially new Italian recipes. And this is a marvelous recipe that we created at Vincenzo's Plate headquarters. I hear people saying, oh no, I don't like cooking, I go out for dinner. Guys, open a bottle of wine, put the music on, and do try to cook. It's actually fun. First thing to do, boil the water and add salt. Then you cut the broccoli into small pieces and you start boiling it. You want to boil it for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, take the broccoli out of the water, but don't throw away the water. Make sure you keep the water because we're going to cook the pasta in it. Put the broccoli in a blender and add extra virgin olive oil and just a little bit of water. And start blending the broccoli. You want the cream to be nice and runny, but not too runny and not too dense. So you add the water as you go. When you see that the cream is nice and smooth, you keep it on the side. What do we do if you don't like broccoli? I've got a solution for you. You can use zucchini, nice and delicate, and it does go very well with the seafood. It is important that you boil the pasta in the same pot where we cook the broccoli. So the pasta does nice flavor of broccoli. There is no need to add any more salt because we already did it before. In a nice pan, what we do is we start cooking the vongole. So you add extra virgin olive oil, the vongole, then you want to finally chop a clove of garlic and put it in there. And also you want to finally chop a beautiful or two chili. Spicy chilies is better, but if you prefer mild, go for the mild chili. You put it together in the pan, add a splash of water, put a lid on the pan and let the vongole open. After about 10 minutes, the vongole are open, you have a nice juice in there. So the pasta is now ready, the cream is ready. So add the cream into the vongole. Mix it very well. You want the cream to cover every single vongola. You want the chili to mix well with the cream. You want the garlic to disappear in the cream. You add the pasta together with a little bit of water from the pasta. You know, keep adding the pasta and don't worry about the water. The more water, the better. Now you mix very well this pasta with the nice vongole and broccoli sauce. Now, what do you do if you can't find vongole? Now, mussels don't really do the job. Mussels have a different flavor, doesn't work well, but crab or lobster could do very well. What I like to do, I like to present this very well. So I'm using a cookie cutter, I put it in the middle of the plate, and I start putting my pasta inside with the vongole. When I have a nice mountain of pasta, I take out the cookie cutter, and then I put vongole all around the pasta. To finish it off, I put 2 vongole on top and sprinkle some nice chili. And I think now we're ready to serve this wonderful pasta to you, to your family, to your partner, and to the people that you love. Does this pasta sound amazing to you? Why did I choose these ingredients? Well, they are delicate ingredients, they don't cross each other, and they work very well together in order to bring an amazing taste to your plate. Oh my god, the smell is incredible. The vongole are telling me, please, eat me, put me in your belly. I will very soon. So guys, isn't this an amazing culinary experience? So, thank you so much for watching this episode. We will see you in the next Vincenzo's Plate video recipe. E ora si mangia. Vincenzo's Plate. I mean, look at this vongole, look at this. Look how beautiful it is. Hello! Moist, Beautiful smell, beautiful flavor, and that chili, ooh, I can really feel it now. You choose if you want to have spicy, very spicy chili or mild. This is quite spicy. Time to have the pasta now. Let's see how it is. The texture is beautiful, beautiful and al dente, mixed together with the broccoli. We have, you know, the ocean and the land in one plate. What an amazing experience. Please guys, make it, subscribe to my channel, and let's share love for cooking and eating amazing food. We only eat amazing food at Vincenzo's Plate. Thank you guys, and see you next time.